welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to be doing a boat get ready with me / morning routine plus boat vlog. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get right into it. Good morning. It is 7:30 right now. I kind of look like a rat right now, but not too much, to be honest. I don't look the most rat-like that I possibly could. But I still have to get ready. So, I'm gonna tighten this. There we go. Okay guys, so let me just put my hair behind my ears. Because I use this as like a headband type thing. I don't know if that's right, but it's what I do, okay? CeraVe Foaming Cleanser. And I'm just gonna pump it onto my brush. Okay, I know it looks like there's something on my face, but in the mirror I can see it. Plus the thing's clear, but it foamed up a tiny bit today. I'm gonna go into the other room and grab myself a clean towel to wash this off my face. Okay, I think we're good with that. So, now that we're done washing my face, that's most of the part where I want to make her back. Because with the other part, I can because the rest of it's kind of just like easy face makeup. So, I forgot a step. We can do it like this. Just gonna spray it to death. Well, not to death. You want it pretty wet, but not like dying wet, or else the curl won't be there anymore. Yeah, see? See? I'm so there. So now I just brush it in to the rest of my hair. And when I'm done brushing it in, I just wait for it to kind of dry. Because whenever I brush it out this way, it will curl that way, so it's not in my face. And it looks cute. So yeah, I just brush it out this way and wait for it to dry. I'm just gonna do my makeup. It's like kind of wetted back behind my ears. I find it like the perfect opportunity. So I use this, also, it's not done spraying, it's just water, it's not like a detangler or something, it's just water. Okay. So we have BB Fresh Skin Hydrating Beauty Balm. It's also a sunscreen. It's SPF 30, which isn't the best. It would be better to have 50, but it's better than nothing, honestly. Yeah. So I just like to wet it in water if I don't have setting spray. I know that sounds crazy, but it really helps blend, okay? So I like drench it in water and then just like squeeze out the water. Like, you see how big that got? Okay, anyways, let's actually do my makeup now before this falls off of my hand. So, I would say this isn't like the best type of thing you want to use for foundation, but it's like if you want something kind of natural, or like not quite foundation, but kind of more natural, this is it. Not really a foundation, it's not full coverage at all, but it's good for like very natural looks. Because I don't really like the way that foundation looks on me, because you know all those like little hairs on your face? I feel like it just like, I don't know, it like puts it on there and it looks so weird. So, yeah. Okay, now I'm just gonna put this over here because we're not done with it yet. Okay, now this is my favorite part because I've been waking up with these big eye bags. I don't know if it's because I'm getting back into the schedule of like going to school and waking up at 5:15 or what, but yeah, I don't really like it. So I put my little roller thing in my mini fridge last night, so it's gonna be cold, and it's kind of like an ice roller. And I'm just gonna roll it under my eye to reduce the puffiness. It feels really nice. Maybe I should just do this every morning to wake me up. Or maybe I should just get an ice roller. Oh wow, the eye bag's like almost gone. The eye bag's not completely visible, but I just don't really like having eye bags. I don't know, they make me look weird. Yeah, no, I think this really worked on this eye, but I don't think I got enough of the ice on the eye, so. But do you see the difference? Okay, I'm putting this back in the mini fridge, and then we're just gonna like, routine that I do for makeup is I put on this CoverGirl, well, I was about to say mascara. It's concealer. I'm gonna put some right here just because I have like a big scratch right there from peeling off my dry skin from a sunburn, which I kind of am regretting, but we're not gonna talk about that. So I put it in both corners right here because it's really dry there and I like to cover it up. And then I put it right there under my eye, not too much, not too little. And then obviously on any spots that I want to get rid of or like hide. Yeah. Okay. I use the Julia Pop lipsticks. They're like those pill lipsticks from when it was trending. On makeup YouTube, if you watch that. Makeup, TikTok, whatever. It was trending for a while. And I like to use it as like a little bit of a liquid slash stick slash whatever it's called blush. Yeah. And I put on a lot of it, if you couldn't tell. But it's only because with the wet sponge, a lot of it only a little bit of it gets shown, because a lot of it gets absorbed by the wet sponge. I do think this color's running out though. So yeah, this is kind of the formation that I do it in. Okay, so in person, it's really rosy and cute. On camera, you kind of can't see it. I mean, you can tell it's a little darker than my forehead, but like it's gonna be like that either way. I guess my lighting's just really good. Okay. Now, we have our clear brow gel. So yeah, that's fun. And obviously, it's just gonna go on my brows. Also, it really depends on how I'm feeling. Sometimes I do this first. Sometimes I do it last. Gotta make sure we get those unibrow hairs. I shaved my unibrow at the beginning of the year. So, I don't think I have one right now. Yeah. Well, not at the beginning of the year, like a few weeks ago in August. It's still August. You know, before school started. I shaved like a week before school started. Because I had like a big old unibrow going straight to here, and it was ugly, and so I just took a razor and went. Oh. This is the Baby Lips by Crystal. It's like a lip balm. Oh, and the brow gel is from Ulta Beauty. I already showed you it, but it's from Ulta. Yeah, gotta tell you the brands. Okay. Moving on. Never mind. That's kind of it for my makeup. Okay, so we're gonna brush this back one more time. Anyways, moving on. Okay, let's go. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, you are. Okay. I'm getting changed into the outfit in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. Yeah. So we have this swimsuit. It's from Shein. And these are also from Shein. Everything's from Shein. And then I'm gonna wear these Crocs that are, yeah, they're Crocs. They're white Crocs. They kind of go with the outfit. And I got them from Amazon. Whoa. It is 8 o'clock right now. Let me show you guys proof. It's 8 o'clock. You see that? 8 o'clock. Okay. We are going to wear these sunglasses. These are sunglasses. Yeah. Okay. One second. I'm so excited to edit this vlog. I have no idea why. I never want to edit videos, but I just want to edit this one for no reason. Like the one time that I can't edit until this afternoon, I really want to edit. Okay. I've been looking for these. We're gonna wear them right now because I'm recording on an iPad and I'm literally staring at a screen. So, yeah. Now, we need to pack my swim bag. Yes. I know. I'm so cool. Anyways. No. I did not just step on anything. You're a liar. Liar, liar. Something. I don't know the rest of the words. Because I'm so smart like that. There are things in here. Yes. I got them fancy hand sanitizer, them fancy hair ties. We need a lot of fancy hair ties so I can put up Max's hair and he can look stupid the whole time. Because there are only like those hair ties that work. The other ones fall out. And I'm talking about these, but I want black ones. Or no, I need pink ones. Pink ones. Lighting in here is horrible, but like mission accomplished. We got 2 pink hair ties for Max. I know, 2. Sometimes his hair needs to go into pigtails. It's scary. And 1 black hair tie for me. I've collected a new companion. I have so much hair in my face right now, but we're not going to talk about that. I collected a new companion. Show yourself. She's so cute. Whoa. Face sunscreen. Sunscreen. Body sunscreen, technically. Goggles. Brinley, do you think you can fit in the bag? Do you? She won't fit in the bag. It turns out that we're meeting them at the boat ramp thing at 9:40. Or no, we're meeting them there at 10 o'clock. We're leaving at 9:40. So I need to brush my teeth, and then my dad's gonna watch me do handstands. And then he has to go get ready, and then we're gonna go to brush my teeth. Hello, activated charcoal toothpaste. Mine's kind of running out because it's a small container. Max, say hi. Hi. Chloe, say hi. Hi. So I did not film an outro for this. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be trying to post a lot more content like this because I usually post like dances and YouTube shorts and stuff, but I'm gonna try to get out like a lot more like vlogs and tutorials and like get ready with me's and routines and stuff. So yeah. And then if you guys are watching this on my lifestyle channel, go subscribe to my main channel where, as I said, I do dances and shorts and stuff. So yeah, and if you're watching this on my main channel, go subscribe to my lifestyle channel. Both will be in the link in the description. Yeah. So, that's basically the update. So I'll see you guys next time, hopefully. Okay, bye.